delegation, we've worked tirelessly for 3 days to connect with everyone here at Vitalis and to get to know the landscape of e-health, which is taking up more and more space in the Swedish export structure for life sciences. We have had with us for the whole of this time our excellent delegation of Ukrainians who are meeting Swedish stakeholders and sharing experience for resilience in times of war. So it was a huge honor to help them find their way around.